In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset paper trading in Webull. Whether you're honing your trading strategies or simply exploring the platform's capabilities without financial risk, paper trading is a valuable tool. But sometimes you might want to start fresh, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to ensure that you're logged into your Webull account. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do so to access the paper trading feature. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the platform. Webull's interface can seem overwhelming at first, but with a little navigation, it becomes quite intuitive. Now, direct your attention to the top of the Webull interface. Here, you'll find a series of tabs that serve as your navigation bar. Look for the one labeled Trading and Investing. This tab is a gateway to many of Webull's features, including the paper trading section. To proceed, hover your cursor over the Trading and Investing tab. You'll notice a drop-down menu appear, showcasing a variety of options. From the drop-down menu, click on Paper Trade. This is where the magic happens. Paper trading is essentially a simulation of real trading, allowing you to test strategies without using real money. It's perfect for beginners or anyone looking to experiment with new techniques. Once you click Paper Trade, you'll be taken to the paper trading section of the platform. Here, you'll see your current paper trading account details, including your balance and any open positions. If you've been paper trading for a while, you may have a cluttered screen filled with various trades and numbers. If you're ready for a clean slate, it's time to reset. Unfortunately, Webull doesn't have a one-click reset button for paper trading. Instead, you'll need to manually close any open positions and adjust your account balance back to its starting point. To do this, review your open trades and close each one. This process involves selecting the trade, choosing to close it, and confirming your decision. Once all positions are closed, it's time to reset your account balance. Typically, Webull starts paper trading accounts with a virtual balance, often around $1 million, but this can vary. To adjust your balance, look for the option to reset or modify your virtual cash. This might be under Account Settings or a similar section within the paper trading interface. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively reset your Webull paper trading account. This allows you to start afresh, whether you're testing new strategies or simply want a cleaner interface. Remember, practice makes perfect, and paper trading is an excellent way to refine your skills without any financial risk. Happy trading, and see you in the next tutorial.